In this video, I will show you how to fix your Lyft app not working. So once your app is not working, and in my case, it is working as you can see, but let's say it is not working, then what you need to do is you need to go over to your home screen again, then open up all the tabs that you have opened, and then basically close your Lyft app, and then try booting it up again. And if it still doesn't work after you do that, then there are a couple of other things that you can do. And the first thing is this one, and that is by going over to our settings. So let's go ahead and click on settings and then search for Lyft at the top. So let's type it in and then click on Lyft that is located in your apps. So let's go to the L and click on Lyft. And in here, there are a couple of things that you need to enable. And let's say cellular data, when you are not on a Wi-Fi network, then you need to make sure that your cellular data is enabled for this app, because otherwise it will cause this app to not work. And something else that can cause this app to not work is your location. And Lyft is a taxi app, so this app actually only works when you are sharing your location with this app. So if you have not shared it yet, then go ahead and click on the location or something that's saying location services, and then make sure that while using the app is on and that you are sharing your precise location. So these are the most important things that you can do when Lyft app is not working. So once you have done these, you can just go back to your app and then try to boot it up again. And then it should probably work. If it still doesn't work, this can also be an issue with your device. So what you can do then is you can reboot your device by switching it off and then turning it on again. And you can also disable your Wi-Fi connection and enable it back again. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.